Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Reed from iBUYPOWER, and today we're going to be going over what to expect when unboxing your brand new iBUYPOWER PC. First thing you want to do is remove the outer shipping box and remove the contents. Your package should include the following: iBUYPOWER mics and keyboard, power cables, accessories bag, and miscellaneous instructions manuals, and your iBUYPOWER review pamphlet. Before you plug in, there's a few things you need to check. First, remove the side panel and take out the protective foam. Check the following connections: 4-pin CPU power connectors, 24-pin motherboard power connectors, PCI Express power connectors, USB 3.0 header. Check to make sure your storage is still securely in place. Make sure your fans are clear of obstructions and spin freely. And that's it. And now you can remove all warning labels and stickers from your PC and plug it in. Just make sure the switch is set to on. This PC accepts DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort connections. Plug in your USB 2.0 devices, Blue 3.0 USB devices, and Ethernet connection. Power up your PC and have fun. And if you run into any issues, feel free to call our tech support. This is Reed from iBUYPOWER, and I'll see you online.